How's it going, guys? And welcome to your array list part 2. So I already have a video on array lists, but I just cover how to add and remove items. But there's also a lot more stuff that you can do with them. There's more functionality to them. So in this video, I'm going to cover the index of and the get values, which are very important when it comes to technical interview questions. So you can get the specific index or the specific value at an index. So let's begin. So when we're working with ArrayLists, remember it's an interface, so we have to import the package. So we write import java.util.ArrayList. So here we're just going to define the array list. So it's going to be a list of numbers. And we're going to add a bunch of values to it. So let's put in some random values. Now we're going to specify 4 different variables. So the first 2 variables will be values of specific items. So we're going to write value1 is equal to list.get, and in these brackets right here, if we write list.get, it will spit out the value at a specific index. So let's say we want to get the values of the second index and the third index. So we write 0, 1, 2, so that's going to be 3. And then if we just copy this over, here value 1 will be 3, and then value 2 would be 10. So why is that? Well, they're getting the index values. So if we wrote 0 here, it would print out 4. If we wrote 1, it would print out 8. If we wrote something out of the bounds, it would throw in error. So that's a way that you can get the item at a certain index value. We're going to go ahead and make 2 more variables. So int index1 is equal to list dot, and in order to get the index value of some number in our list, all we write is index of, and let's say for example we want to get the index value of 8. So here it'll print out 0, 1, and then let's say 10. Then we will get 0, 1, 2, 3. And here it would be 0, 1. So index 1 will have 1, and then index 2 will have 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can print out the entire list. We can make it look a bit better. So let's go ahead and value 1 plus val1. Let's see what exactly is happening. So we have 2 variables called val1 and val2, which just gets the values at index 2 and index 3. And then if we use the index of value, we can get the index of the value 8 and then the value 10. And so we're just going to print this out and let's see what happens. So we see that it says 4, 8, 3, 10, 0. So that's exactly the items that we appended to our array list. And then it says value 1 is located at index 2. So what value is that? 0, 1, 2. So it prints out 3. And then value 2 is located at index 3. So it's going to print out 10. Now here it says index 1 and index 2. So index 1 is located at index of 8. So it's going to search through the array list for 8 and then print out the index value. So here it's index 1, and then 10 is located at index 3. So it prints out 1 and 3. So these are 2 very important things that you can use in your array list. They're very important methods, and they make your life a whole lot easier because you can now get the values and the index without having to write a for loop and loop through every single item and have a counter variable that increments each time. So this is just a quick way to get these values. I really hope this video helped, and if it did, please leave a like, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.